Oi, a good Friday, people. We've got shrimp and lobster soup. We've got Escovitch fish, fried fish with Escovitch on top. And we've got bun and cheese. Why people, welcome to Cook and Vibe. It's Good Friday. Yes, my name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. This is season 9 and today is Good Friday. So you know this is a Jamaican food channel, right? You know what it's about, people. It is about the fried fish today. Not fried fish, but fish. Do you know what I mean? It's Good Friday, so we always do fish on Good Friday. I think I've done some lives and stuff before, but basically today is a mad one. I'm putting in some work for you today, people. So today is actually today. And this episode is going out today, and I'm filming, recording and putting it out as an episode because I feel like it gets more of a look in with the episode. Today, we're doing a mad thing, right? It's Good Friday, people. Yeah, we're doing Escovitch fish. Yeah, we're doing some Escovitch fish, and we got the whole thing there. We got all the Scotch bonnets and the onions and the everything, isn't it? Yeah, so we're gonna do an Escovitch fish. So we're gonna fry off the fish. We've got sea bream today. You get me? Also, we're gonna be making my famous lobster soup, which is a Friday tradition. We always have lobster soup on a Friday in our family. I think I said it before, but we're gonna actually do it today. Put it all into one as one episode. Escovitch fish, lobster soup. It's Good Friday, our good vibes. We've got our Easter bun and our Jamaican cheese. Yeah, man, our good vibes, people, man. Everything there, man, so our good vibes. Why, let's go. Yes, people, so let's get started. All right, lobster soup. All right, you see the lobster right here, but we're gonna show you that in a minute. Don't worry about that. First of all, the ingredients that we're going to put in the lobster soup. We're going to start off with some pumpkin, all right? So we're going to put some water inside the pot. We're going to put some pumpkin in. We're going to put some scallion in. We're going to put some thyme in there, yeah? So we've got our pumpkin, scallion, thyme. We're going to chuck some seasonings in there. We've got some all-purpose seasoning there and a few more all-purpose seasonings. We're going to chuck that in there. Probably an onion as well. Yeah, and we're going to get that started first of all. What's going to be going into the lobster soup today is some carrots and some Irish potatoes. And we're going to put some dumplings in there as well. So all you need to know for the lobster soup is pumpkin, carrots, Irish, scallion, thyme, onion. I'm probably going to put a Scotch bonnet in there and whatever seasonings you want to use, people. Do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, let's get busy. You don't know, we soon fry off the fish. We soon get some bun and cheese. Yeah, man, good vibes, man. It's Good Friday. Why? Yes, people. So we got the pumpkin inside the water, rustic thing. I'm just gonna break the scallion in half like that with the thyme and just put that in there. Why? Same time, some pimento berries can go inside there as well. Same time, some white onion, brown onion, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to leave that. We're going to leave that for like 10-15 minutes to make the flavors then build up in there and the pumpkin mush out. And then we're going to add the carrot and the Irish. Why? Yeah! So you don't know, people, next we're going to chop up the carrot them. Yeah, man, we're going to chop up the carrot them and some Irish potato. You get me? And we're just going to leave the skin on and literally just cut them like so, rustic style. You know what I'm saying? Chop that in half. Don't want them too big. Yeah, so that's how we're going to do with the Irish. And you can see carrot already chopped up there. Isn't me? Yes, so like I said, we're going to give that 10-15 minutes. Let them flavours build up in there. Then when we add the carrot and this, that's when we're going to add some all-purpose seasoning and thing. And I think we're going to put the Scotch bonnet in at that point as well, people. Oh, yeah. All right, people. So what we're doing is we're just scoring the fish, as you can see. 3 slits on each side of the fish, just so we can get the seasoning right inside these bits. Do you know what I mean? So that's what you're gonna do first of all, and then people, whilst the lobster soup is cooking, we're gonna season up our fish. Yeah, just some all-purpose seasoning we're gonna use for the fish today, people. All right, but yeah, we're nearly there. 1 more fish to score, then season up, and then they're ready to fry. Yeah, man, simple thing. All right, people, seafood seasoning, and I got some Jamaican all-purpose in here as well. So I'm just gonna show you what I do with the 1 fish. So let's take this one to start. Now, obviously, we wanna just cover it like that, and then just poke it in, poke the seasoning in. You know what I mean? Good vibes, and then open her up. More inside, same thing on that side, and then you just get our all-purpose seasoning. Said way. I do like my fish seasoned properly. See what I mean? Yeah, but that's kind of it. Pretty much still. Obviously, I was doing that with a 1 hand, people, for the camera, but yeah, we're just gonna season up our fish, and they're ready to fry out. Why are we? Good vibes, people. You see the color of the pot now? Yeah, them natural seasonings are kicking now. You get me? So in, oh, why with the carrot. You get me? Then we're gonna put the Irish in as well, and then we soon add the lobster as well. Why? Why? Yes, people. There's the lobster. It's gonna go in for our soup. It's a nice one, actually. So we're just gonna get this little band off the claw quickly. Yeah. All right, and what we're gonna do, people, is we're gonna take off his claw. Yeah. Take off that claw as well. And take off some of these legs. Remember, these are all going into the soup. Good vibes. All this can go in, so you get nice little legs in there, and also we're gonna. That is it. So this will go straight in to the pot over here, people. That goes in there nicely. Get that whole bit in there as well. We can cut that up as well. In fact, what we do, people, is we're not going to put that in there like that. We're going to put that in like that. Yep. We're going to actually cut this bit in half, people. Yeah. Now we're going to take this out, because I don't really like that part there, people, I'm going to be honest with you. Yeah. I'm going to take that part out, and then we're going to put the rest of all this meat and stuff, all that's going to go into the soup as well. All right, people. As you can see, everything I've gone nicely in there. Do you know what? I was going to put dumplings in, but there's not even enough room in there, people. There's not even enough room in there. I ain't got my big pot here today. But yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to add some seasonings now. So some all-purpose. Yep. That's this one. And we're going to add the same seafood seasoning as well. Nice bit of that. Why? And we're going to give that a mix around, people. Oh, why? And that'll be done in about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Whilst we're waiting for that, people, we'll mash up some Easter bun. Do you know what I'm saying? It's Good Friday. Look at that one there. Beautiful and nice, man. Let's get this thing open. Let's get this thing open. Yes, gotta have the bun on Easter. It's only right. You know what I'm saying? Oh. There we go, people. Lovely and nice. slice off. Oi, oi! A good vibes, man, at Easter time, a good Friday. Bare things going on, lobster soup, Escovitch fish and bare things. Do you know what I mean? So we get that ready for some cheese. As you can see, people, we've got our Jamaican proper cheese. A good vibes, man, yeah. Yeah! Get some shrimp in there, whatever room we've got left in there. People get them, they will just sink down anyway. You get me? So yeah, the shrimp's gone in now. As you can see, it is looking beautiful. It's smelling beautiful. We've got the oil heating up and we're gonna fry up some fish. Oi, oi, it's Good Friday. Yeah, it's that time. Heat up some oil, people, and get the fish inside there. They're all seasoned up and ready to go. So we've made a lot of mess over here, but yeah, the lobster soup is going in. All the shrimp and everything is inside there as well now. So good vibes. And the fish is frying. So next we gotta make our Escovitch for when all the fish is ready and done and fried. You see? Oi! Yes, people, oi, oi! So now we're making our Escovitch. So for our Escovitch, right, we're gonna use white onion, Scotch bonnet, some carrot, and some pimento seed. All right. So that is what we're gonna use for our. So we're just gonna put it all in this box here and get it all chopped up. So first of all, I'm gonna chop up all my onions, and then I'm gonna chop up all my carrots, and then I'm gonna put some gloves on and chop up my Scotch bonnet and get that ready. Oi, oi. As you can see, people, we've got our onion, our carrot and our Scotch bonnet wally baked. You see me? So we're gonna these little pimento berries, we're gonna just dash them in there as well, and then we're gonna put some vinegar on top of that. Just fill up that with vinegar. Why on? Right, people. So a lot of people boil this up just until the vinegar is just starting to boil and then take it off. Some people fry it up. I like mine fresh. So we're just tipping the vinegar all over the onion, the carrot, and the Scotch bonnet and pimento seed. And that is gonna be our garnish for our fish. Escovitch fish, you know, this is actually my favorite meal, people. Yeah, this is actually my favorite meal. So I'm glad I'm getting to do it for you properly. It's Good Friday. Everything good. You understand? Yeah, man, the last two fish I fry up. You get me? And yeah, I good vibes. And this is actually my favourite part to the whole dish. Is all this vinegar and onions and everything. Oi, people. Trust me, man, it's a good look. Hoi, people, don't forget to press that like button and subscribe. Otherwise, your fingernails will go rusty and crusty and fall off. Oi, oi, people! Everything is nearly done. The lobster soup's ready, nearly ready. The fish done fry. I'm just gonna put everything out on the side now, make it look nice. I'm not gonna do a big up section today, people, because it's a quick and fast thing. I'm doing this episode and I'm putting it out today. So I just wanna wish you all a happy Good Friday. You know what I mean? Big up yourself. Thank you for your support on Cook and Vibe. I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you enjoy this episode. Like I said, Escovitch fish is my favorite meal. So I'm glad that I got to do my favorite meal on Cook and Vibe with the lobster soup on Friday, which we usually have it on Friday. It's Good Friday, a good vibe. We've got the bun and cheese, everything there. So I'm just gonna put everything out on the platter it all out now and make you see where I go on, people. But like I said, no big up section this week. Just big up each and every one of you and happy Good Friday. You hear that? Oi, oi. Oi, oi. That is it, people. Look at that. Escovitch fish. As you can see. Nice. Bare Escovitch and the Scotch bonnet and the onions and the carrot all over the fish, fried off nicely. You get me? And then we've obviously got our bun and cheese. Our Easter bun and cheese. You don't know the thing set. Lobster soup. Powers, lobster and shrimp soup. Everything is looking amazing. As you can see, people are good vibes. Zooey! Woy-yoy, a good Friday, people. We've got shrimp and lobster soup. We've got Escovitch fish. Fried fish with Escovitch on top. And we've got bun and cheese. Cause it's Good Friday. It makes sense. Everything is looking delicious, people. You don't know anything set. It's cook and vibe. Woy-yoy! Yes, people, so big up yourself, man. Our good vibes. Like I said, I'm gonna leave it here. I'm not gonna do a taste test, or I'm not gonna do a big up section this week. I'm just gonna end it here because I wanna get this episode out. But trust me, it will all taste delicious. Believe you me, I can give you my word on that. You get me? So, yeah, man, good vibes, people. Good Friday. There you go. I see you very, very soon, people. I'll see you on Sunday. Yeah, I'll see you on Sunday. We got a big one Sunday. Very good episode on Sunday. Woy-yoy. Happy Easter, people. Happy Good Friday. Woy-yoy.